Have you ever wondered how the wealthiest individuals manage to save money in ways that seem almost magical? Throughout history, the wealthiest individuals have consistently employed unique methods to multiply their savings, far beyond the reach of conventional wisdom. I'll unveil lesser-known tactics used by the rich to save money effectively. You'll discover practical strategies that can be applied immediately to transform your financial habits and start building wealth like never before. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're making savvy financial decisions, just like the wealthiest individuals do. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel, and let's get started. Number 1. Rich cut their home costs. Imagine this. You work hard, earn well, and yet every month, your utility bills drain your bank account like a slow, invisible leak. Meanwhile, the wealthy live in massive homes, yet their energy expenses are optimized to the dollar. How? They treat home efficiency as an investment, while most people treat it as an afterthought. The difference? They understand that wasted energy is wasted money. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, upgrading to energy-efficient solutions can slash electricity bills by up to 30% annually. Yet, millions of people still ignore this, preferring short-term convenience over long-term savings. Think about it. How many times have you delayed insulating your home, upgrading old appliances, or switching to smart thermostats? Start small. Swap incandescent bulbs for LEDs, seal your windows, and install a programmable thermostat. The rich don't just cut costs, they reinvest what they save. Ask yourself this: are you burning money or building wealth? Number 2. Rich buy once. Most people think they're saving money by buying cheap, but in reality, they're spending more in the long run. The wealthy understand one powerful principle: buy quality once, and you won't have to buy again. Yet, the average person falls into the cheap now, costly later trap. Whether it's buying low-quality clothes that wear out in months, replacing cheap appliances frequently, or choosing a budget car that guzzles gas and needs endless repairs. According to the Millionaire Mind by Thomas J. Stanley, wealthy individuals prioritize value over price, ensuring that every dollar they spend works for them long-term. The irony? Many middle-class people spend more over time simply because they keep rebuying the same low-quality things. Consider Steve Jobs, known for his minimalist wardrobe of high-quality, durable clothing. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, will this last me 5 years? If not, invest in better quality. Number 3. Stop the money leaks before they drain your wealth. Most people don't go broke overnight. It happens little by little through small, ignored leaks. Whether it's a subscription you forgot to cancel, a high-interest debt you keep ignoring, or even a literal water leak at home, these small expenses bleed your wealth without you noticing. The rich? They plug these leaks immediately because they understand a simple truth: a small leak can sink a great ship. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Tiny financial leaks like unnecessary bank fees or unused memberships can add up to thousands over a lifetime. Take Mark Cuban, billionaire investor, who says, "If you use a credit card and don't pay it off in full, you're a sucker." Now, meet Lisa, a 35-year-old teacher who unknowingly wasted $2,000 a year on unused subscriptions, impulse buys, and late fees. Once she tracked her expenses and canceled these leaks, she saved $10,000 in 5 years, which she used for a down payment on a rental property. Do a money leak audit. Check every expense in the last 3 months, cancel what you don't need, and negotiate lower rates where possible. The rich don't let money drip away. They control every dollar. So ask yourself, are you the captain of your wealth, or is your money slipping through the cracks? Number 4. They don't buy liabilities and save more. James, a corporate employee who spent years upgrading his car every 2 years on loan. When he finally switched gears, sold his expensive car, and invested in rental properties instead, he built a passive income stream that covered his future car payments. Rich don't waste money on liabilities. They buy assets that make them richer. Robert Kiyosaki, in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, explains this best. The poor and middle class buy liabilities they think are assets, while the rich buy assets that pay for their luxuries. Yet, people continue financing expensive cars they can't afford, buying designer clothes that lose value, and living paycheck to paycheck just to maintain an illusion of wealth. The result? More debt, more stress, and zero financial growth. The rich let their assets buy their luxuries, while the poor keep buying luxuries that make them poor. Number 5. Secret deals, the rich use that you're ignoring. The rich never pay full price, not for homes, cars, travel, or even investments. They negotiate, leverage bulk deals, and use exclusive perks that most people overlook. Average person think discounts only come during holiday sales, but the wealthy know that the biggest savings are hidden in plain sight. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The wealthy see money as a tool, stretching every dollar to work harder for them. Meanwhile, the middle class proudly overpays, assuming discounts are only for the desperate. The result? They unknowingly spend 20–30% more on major purchases. Elon Musk, who negotiated rent-free factory space when starting Tesla, saving millions. Sarah, a young entrepreneur who realized she was overpaying for software, flights, and even business expenses. After researching corporate discount programs and negotiating better terms, she saved over $15,000 a year, enough to reinvest in her business. Actionable tip: before buying anything major, always ask, "Can I get a better deal?" Call customer service, check for loyalty discounts, and negotiate like your wealth depends on it, because it does. The rich never leave money on the table. So, why are you? Number 6. The rich hack their lifestyle expenses. The wealthy don't cut back on luxuries. They just find smarter ways to afford them. While the average person swipes credit cards for expensive vacations, dining, and high-end products, the rich use hacks to get the same experiences at a fraction of the cost. They leverage credit card points, loyalty programs, corporate perks, and smart tax deductions to reduce their lifestyle expenses without sacrificing quality. Meanwhile, the middle class pays full price for everything, thinking luxury is only for those who splurge. In The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas Stanley reveals that most millionaires don't live flashy lives, but they know how to stretch their dollars for maximum value. Ignoring these strategies means losing thousands of dollars every year, money that could be invested for future wealth. Kevin, a tech employee who loved traveling but found himself drowning in expenses. After studying how the wealthy optimize lifestyle spending, he used credit card points for free flights, dined at top restaurants through exclusive reward programs, and saved 40% on shopping with cashback deals. Within a year, he cut $10,000 in unnecessary spending without giving up his favorite luxuries. The rich never settle for full price, so why should you? Either you learn the game or you keep overpaying while they enjoy luxury for less. Instead of wasting money on impulse purchases, they put every dollar to work, investing, growing, and making more money. Treat every dollar like an employee. Every time you're about to spend money, ask, will this dollar make me richer or poorer? The moment you start doing this, your financial life will completely transform. I believe in sharing knowledge that transforms lives. If this resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Watch out our exclusive content to help you become the master of your money and live life on your own terms. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing.